Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family. I hope that you are in good condition while watching my video. I am Jean Tamayo Daniel. I am 40 years old. I finished 2 years vocational in college, major in food technology. I am married with 2 children, boy and girl, 12 and 11 years old. I am number 2 in my family. I work experience for 3 years in Kuwait. There are 4 members, 2 adults and 2 children. Their nationality is Syrian. And also, almost 2 years in Hong Kong. There are 4 members, 2 adults and 2 children. They are Chinese. And the age of children is 16 and 9-year-old. My main duty is to take care of 1 cat and 1 dog. And also, I'll do a household works like cooking, baking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and gardening, and playing the children.
How many helpers in your first employer's house?
1 helpers, ma'am.
How about in your second employer's house?
4 helpers.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, in my own children by changing the diaper, changing the clothes, and preparing the bottle milk.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I will be patient to them and I treat them like my own children.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am, by basic counting, drawing, and storytelling.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will keep myself busy and I will divert myself. It is my free time. I will play and tutor the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will ask the rules and regulation and follow their satisfaction.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will be polite and say sorry and promise not do it again the same mistake.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind. It depends my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family needs.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you give us a nursery song?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding a pie so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
So what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I know it's for you to select a new domestic helper. I am here applying. When you hire me, I'll do my very best to be a good domestic helper and I follow your rules and regulation without any complaint. I will treat your family as my family too. Promise to finish my contract and I'm willing to renew as long as you like me. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.